Normal day for me, just hopping on a brand new bike. I was super stoked and ready to, go rip, and got down to like 30 degrees and it rained. We were coming down a hill, came down and I started sliding sideways. A foot away from the cliff, I was like, oh my God, and fell off the cliff and landed on my bike and my butt hit the seat. So I was laying there and I just remember like my legs and everything below my waist were numb. Couldn't walk.
Perry went through a lot. He ended up with what we call an L5 burst fracture.
See that as this bone fractured, and this is all edema and what we call a burst fracture, pushing back into this canal, it actually impinges on all of those nerves as they come down.
There was a big question on whether he was ever going to regain some of the motor function in his legs and the function of his bowels, the function of his bladder.
I knew I didn't really want to stay here that long. If they told me, hey, jump, I'd be like, how high? I called her the Princess of Darkness. It's a good nickname to me because she really liked to push me, and she was just Sarah. She just wants to see you get better. She wants to help you, and she's going to do whatever it takes to get that way.
It just shows that power of the human spirit. You wouldn't even know that he had a spinal cord injury.
I want to get back on my dirt bike, but I think my dad would kill me, so I'm probably not going to. I'm actually thinking about buying a razor here soon. Hopefully that will be a little bit better on the back and something that gets my adrenaline rushing again,